This is Mike from MPCstuff. Today we're going to show you how to install the MPC Live III stand. It's all made out of billet aluminum, and it's pretty simple to install. It has two side pieces, and then we have the hardware along with the three crossbars. The crossbars are squared, so they're going to go on the inside squares, and easily enough on the outside you're going to see the circles. The main thing to remember is on the outside circle you're going to have the plastic washer go first before you put your screw in, just like we're going to show here. As you can see, you're going to go ahead and put the plastic washer right there, and then put your screw on the outside of that, and you're going to go ahead and use the hex key to put that in. You're going to follow the same exact idea for the rest of them on each one. You're going to want to do the top one first, because the bottom ones actually have where it can slide in through the bottom square. You'll be able to see that. You'll also see it in the diagram. So now we're going to put that all together, and you can see that we have two of them that we've already put in, and the bottom one. And then you're just going to go ahead and place that one. As you can see the open areas, you're going to place that one on, and you're going to do the same thing that you did on the other side. It's pretty simple. There you have it. Now we have our complete kit, and you can go ahead and set your MPC Live III on it. It can also be taken apart if need be with the provided hex key. Only available now at MPCstuff. We have them in black and also in aluminum silver.